I got paid to my PayPal account for doing what I do every day. This app pays you $20 every day in your PayPal account if done correctly. And the app works in every country: United States, Canada, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Guinea, Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, all country around the world. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of my exciting make money content. Now let's get right into it. HoneyGain is a super cool platform that allows you to make money by sharing your internet connection with businesses needing data. It's completely passive. All you have to do is install the app on your device and let it run in the background. It's so easy. I've been using HoneyGain for a few months now, and let me tell you, it's been an absolute game changer. Not only am I making money effortlessly, but I'm also helping companies gather valuable insights that can benefit them in the long run. It's a win-win situation, if you ask me. One of the things I love most about HoneyGain is how passive it is. Simply install the app on any compatible device and let it run in the background while you scroll to any social media sites like YouTube, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, TikTok, etc. You are getting paid for doing something you do every day. How amazing is that? Plus, your data is secure and not compromised. I have a few tips to help you maximize your earnings, which I use myself to make passive income from HoneyGain. First, let me guide you step by step. How can you withdraw your payment to your PayPal account from HoneyGain instantly? To be eligible for withdrawal, you need 20,000 HoneyGain credits or a minimum of $20 in your HoneyGain account. After that, you will get the option to click Request Payout. You will have two options to withdraw your money: PayPal or JMPT Crypto. Since everybody is familiar with PayPal, I will select PayPal for my withdrawal. But keep in mind that if your country doesn't have PayPal, don't worry. Select the next option. The transaction fee on PayPal is high and time-consuming due to third-party transactions. But in order for everyone to understand the procedure, I went with PayPal for this tutorial. So for that, please give me a like. I would appreciate it. If you are withdrawing from HoneyGain for the first time, I recommend you withdraw from JMPT Crypto, because it is fast, cheap, and easy. For confirmation, you will receive a verification code in your HoneyGain email. Copy and paste the code. From my experience, you have to wait at least 24 hours and you will receive another email from its third-party payment provider, PotatoHead. Click the link. You will be redirected to this home page. You have to register with your HoneyGain Gmail and fill out all the information. Select a strong password and complete the security questions. Click on Register and log in with the same email and password. For two-step verification, select the country where you are living right now and enter your mobile number. A 6-digit code will be sent to your number and verify it. And finally, there is still one step left to take before we receive our first payment from HoneyGain. Complete all the information, like your real name, last name, real address, phone number, country, city, etc. If you see any errors, check one more time and hit Next. Now here is the important step. Select your payment method, which is PayPal, and select your payment currency. In the email address, don't use the same HoneyGain email address if your PayPal account is not connected with the same HoneyGain email address. If you have a different PayPal account and your HoneyGain account is different from PayPal, like mine, you need to enter a PayPal account, not a HoneyGain account. If you have the same email in both PayPal and HoneyGain, you can enter the same email address. If you are still confused, leave a comment below. I will respond to your question. Enter your name and last name. It has to match the PayPal account. Always double-check your receiving email address and name. An extra 2% transaction fee will be charged by PayPal. PayPal transaction fees are very high. How many do you agree with? Comment. Check. I agree to the terms of service and to PotatoHead's privacy policy. Now we have to wait 24 hours. Within 24 to 48 hours, a payment email will appear in our PayPal email. Log in to your PayPal account. You can see that I have received my payment from this app. You can see the company name on the payout. I can inform you that this app is 100% legit, and you can make passive income from it just by sharing the unused internet while doing your everyday work. For someone who uses the internet daily, this app is a game changer. I highly recommend it to all of you. Now let me share the secret to maximizing your earnings and and my honest opinions about this app. First, you cannot download this app from the App Store or Play Store. You need to download it from the official HoneyGain website. You will find the link in the description. Download the app if you are on a laptop or if you are on a mobile device. This app is compatible with both PC and mobile devices. Install the app and log in with your email address or sign up using my referral, and you will receive an extra $3 in credits in your HoneyGain account if you are a new user. The HoneyGain dashboard looks something like this. You can connect 10 devices with one account, but I don't recommend it. Connect on PC and mobile. If you share 15 MB of unused internet each day with HoneyGain, you stand a chance to win 10,000 HoneyGain credits. The lowest you can earn is 1 credit. Honestly, the highest I have won from the Lucky Pot is 95 credits. You can see it. HoneyGain offers multiple task reward features. If you complete all the tasks, you can win up to 3,000 extra credit. Your internet speed won't slow down with HoneyGain if you connect 1 or 2 devices. Your speed and performance will remain constant. Now let me reveal to you the secret way to maximize your earnings on HoneyGain. Referrals are one of the ways to earn extra credits on HoneyGain. Anyone who joins with your referral link and completes the task, you will earn an extra 10% from it. Those who sign up through your referral link will also receive extra credits from HoneyGain. Don't forget to use my referral link if you are signing up for the first time. You can also use your referrals and share them with your friends and family, and take advantage of the referral program. You can see I have 17 people who joined through my referrals. Out of those, 3 are my own. For those who are still in the video, I appreciate you all, and you are the real gem. If you like my content, don't hesitate to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. I'll take that as your way of saying thank you to me. Now let me reveal another secret to boost your earnings without any referral, which I prefer to use. If you are on a PC, open multiple windows, open different websites at the same time, and run HoneyGain in the background. Rewards are dispersed based on where you live. If you live in a first world country, you can earn a higher reward in comparison to a third world country. My honest opinion and thoughts about HoneyGain. Yes, this app pays you 100% for your data. The PayPal payment transaction fee is very high and time-consuming. If you share 10 GB of data with HoneyGain, you can earn $2 every day. But it depends on your location and internet speed. It takes 2 months for my first withdrawal. Download the app from the description and start making money from HoneyGain. Click on this video if you want to claim a free USDT. Leave your HoneyGain referral link in the comment and I will pin it. All the referrals will be yours.